So inside a calendar of Microsoft Project, what you can also do is you can define out the non-working days, such as if you want to record out something like a holiday and so forth, and you want to set it as non-working day for a specific time, then you can do that as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto the project tab right here. And once you go around over here, you can see change working time is an option. And once you click on this, you get onto the calendar option, as you can see right here. So right now I have the option over here for standard project, and you can see that there's the working time and so forth. But let's say what I want is I want to declare, let's say for example, 18th of January right here as a holiday right here. In that case, what you can do is you can go around onto the exceptions, and you can go around over here and you can select out the 18th, as you can see right here. And let's say this is going to be a non-working day right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So you can just go around and name it as, let's say for example, this is going to be holiday right here, just like this. So once you go around and do that, you can see that the 18 is marked right here, and you can set the start and finish time over here just like this as well. You can go around over here, and let's say I'm going to set another holiday from 23rd. So I can just go around over here, and let's say this is going to be, let's say a trip right here. A trip for staffs right here, let's say for example, and I'm going to set the start as 23. As I selected this, it is already set to 23, and from over here I can go around from 23 to, let's say, 27. And once you do that, you can see that it is marked now as non-working days right here, as exception days, as you can see right here on this one. So if you had to go around onto the details, then you see the details over here just like this as well. But this is basically how you set non-working day, that is, you define out non-working days by adding in exceptions. So this depends right here. So you can save this out onto the calendar. So this depends on individual calendar, as you can see. So for part-time, it is not defined right here, but on standard project time right here, you can see it is defined right here. And that is how you can go around and then define out the non-working days inside of Microsoft Project. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.